Hey, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of culinary secrets and uncover fascinating unknown facts about your favorite dishes. Today, we have something truly special for you. We're going to unravel the mysteries of one of Indonesia's most beloved street foods, Sate Ayam. Sate Ayam is more than just a tasty skewer of chicken. It's a cultural icon in Indonesia. The rich history and unique preparation methods make it an integral part of Indonesian cuisine. Let's get started. Historical origins. Sate Ayam's history dates back centuries, and it has a unique origin story. It was believed to be inspired by the Middle Eastern kebabs, but it evolved into something distinctively Indonesian. These skewers of marinated chicken were introduced by Arab traders who visited Indonesia in ancient times. It's fascinating to think that this flavorful dish has such diverse cultural influences. The marinade. The secret to the incredible taste of Sate Ayam lies in its marinade. It's a delicious blend of ingredients that varies from region to region in Indonesia. While many recipes include soy sauce, garlic, and coriander, some regions might add coconut milk, lemongrass, or tamarind for a unique twist. The marination process infuses the chicken with an explosion of flavors that make each skewer absolutely irresistible. Grilling techniques. Now, let's talk about the grilling techniques. Sate Ayam is traditionally grilled over open flames, which imparts a delightful smokiness. But did you know that there are different styles of grilling across Indonesia? In some regions, they use bamboo sticks as skewers, while others prefer metal ones. Each method offers a unique grilling experience. Dipping sauces. What's Sate Ayam without its delectable dipping sauces? The dipping sauces can vary greatly, but one of the most popular ones is sambal kacang. It's a spicy peanut sauce that adds a creamy, spicy kick to the skewers. This sauce is a must-try, and it perfectly complements the succulent chicken. Regional variations. Indonesia is a diverse archipelago, and with that diversity comes a range of regional variations of Sate Ayam. In Bali, they have Sate Lilit, which is a minced fish version, while in Java, you'll find Sate Madura, known for its distinct sweet soy sauce marinade. Each region adds its own flair, making Sate Ayam a culinary adventure across Indonesia. The role of lemongrass. One of the most crucial and lesser-known ingredients in Sate Ayam is lemongrass. Lemongrass is not only used for flavor but also as a skewer. It imparts a subtle citrusy aroma to the chicken while keeping it moist during grilling. These skewers of marinated chicken were introduced by Arab traders who visited Indonesia in ancient times. It's fascinating to think that this flavorful dish has such diverse cultural influences. The art of the charcoal grill. The secret to the irresistible smokiness of Sate Ayam lies in the traditional charcoal grill. The chicken skewers are grilled over low, smoky flames. This slow cooking method enhances the flavor, making each bite a smoky delight. Modern techniques may be convenient, but the old-school charcoal grill is where the magic truly happens. Peanut sauce variations. Sambal kacang, the beloved peanut sauce that accompanies Sate Ayam, has many regional variations. Some regions make it spicier, while others add a hint of sweetness. The combination of peanuts, chili, palm sugar, and tamarind creates a symphony of flavors. But did you know that there are different styles of grilling across Indonesia? Sate Ayam's popularity beyond Indonesia. Sate Ayam's deliciousness isn't limited to Indonesia. It's popular not only in neighboring Southeast Asian countries but also worldwide. You can find Sate Ayam stalls in cities across the globe, bringing a piece of Indonesian culture to diverse communities. And there you have it, the untold secrets of Indonesian Sate Ayam. This beloved dish is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Indonesia. So, next time you enjoy a plate of Sate Ayam, you'll have a deeper appreciation for its history, marinade, grilling techniques, and regional diversity. If you enjoyed learning about this hidden world of Sate Ayam, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating food facts and delicious recipes. Thanks for joining us on this culinary journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring the world through its amazing flavors.